this one is the main recipe for tonight. Okay, so if you guys enjoy that recipe, yeah man, super chat Chef Ricardo, because we need to buy some more ingredients tomorrow. All right, now here it is, superfood. This is it right here. This is the main ingredients for tonight. All right, this one, chia seeds. All right, chia seeds. 100% natural superfood. I don't know if you guys are allergic to it, but it's very good in weight loss, and it's also very good to help you with your blood sugar. Also, you can make pudding with it. I hear Craig was making a comments on it. The video says good for pudding. Yes. Now, I did a video on it the other day, and I'm gonna do another video on it tonight again. And I would encourage you guys to do this one. Try and get this and use this in your diet on a regular basis. It will help you to fill your stomach in the morning if you are taking for breakfast in the morning, or if you feel you want to take it for lunch. It will help you, but it's will help you to boost your immune system also. You can do your own research on this for yourself if you like to. It's simple, guys. You have a smartphone, you can just type in on Google the benefit of these chia seeds and see what are the benefits. If you have any issue with your medication or with your health wise. Okay, now the beautiful thing I like about it, what you can do is this. Okay, where's my spoon? So I like to do this. Okay, I like to just take a tablespoon of it, put my glass right here, and we're going to do this one. Yeah, man, big up yourself. What's going on over there, man? I heard that we're going really well over there. Yeah, man, big up yourself all over there. German people, big up yourself. All right, so we're going to be using 1 tablespoon. All right, inside of it. Excellent. Right, and then what we're going to do, you can squeeze some lemon juice in it. Put some lemon juice in it, just like that. If you like to, you can put some dates inside of it for sweetener. If you want to use some dates in it for sweetener, it's up to you. All right. Now, where's my water? Okay, I'll use this one. Yes. I don't know where I put my water, but I use this one. It's fine. All right, we're gonna fill it up with some water. Now, you can do a few things with this. You can drink it on its own in the morning, just like that, for your breakfast. But I would encourage you to drink something warm in the morning. You can start the morning warm or lukewarm. It's up to you how your immune system can. You can have it for lunch, or you can have it for snack. So what you can do, you can add a lot more into it. You can add some ingredients like blueberry, raspberry, ripe banana, put some dates in it, make yourself a pudding. Like put it to soak, and in the morning you add those ingredients to it. Or you can also just drink it, and it will help to fill up your immune system. Very powerful one. All right, so this is the first one. I'm gonna give you one more before I go tonight. All right, so this one is very effective, and this is the second time I'm showing you guys about this one. That's it, guys. So tomorrow morning, if you want me to show you Chef as sweetener, what do you think about? Well, the honey is very good. A lot of people talk about it. I went to pharmacy, I went to the health shop, and a lot of people talk about this honey. They recommend it to a lot of people about this honey. So yeah, man, we should big up yourself, man. Thank you so much for coming on the show. A lot of people talk about it, but I normally do this one also. So if you're a guy, if you're feel about this one? Dates. I have a box side, guys. All right. This one is also very good. All right. So big up all of the man them who eat dates. It's very good for you. This is organic one. This is not the one that you buy and you got this whole heap of sugar on it and sweetener and all them thing there and artificial. So I remove the skin from it and I use this one. Guys, this is amazing to use in your diet. Now, I was gonna do this one tonight, but I'm not gonna do this one tonight. We're gonna do it another night. Every night I give you an extra recipe for you to do at home to balance out yourself and to look after yourself at home. It's just tips and ideas, guys, and it will help you. All right, this one I may give you the video tomorrow night on it. All right, I may give you the video on this one tomorrow night, what you can do. That's why I buy a box of it. I buy the box, that's so you guys can see what I'm doing with it. I put them in smoothie, I eat them on its own, I wrap them with nuts. You know, when someone saw me the other day buying this box, the person said to me, "You're a very smart guy, because this thing and what I was buying, they are very healthy and it's good." And the man was saying to me, "You're buying the right one. The one with, because the other one in the plastic, it got a lot of sugar and it is white sugar, and you guys may not read in the information, but I know and I see it. So be careful of, this is the best one to buy, the organic one. And it's a natural sweetener you can use on a regular basis in your smoothie, in a lot of things at home. Tomorrow night, I give you a video. Do not miss this video tomorrow night. All right? I'm not gonna give you this one tonight. Tonight is a different night. All right. Let's give you the last one now, guys, for the night. Okay? So this one, the honey is good. I would recommend you guys to drink the honey. Use this honey. Doctor recommended. Lots of people recommend that. See, they talk about it. Some people say a lot of things about it, but something have to work. So this one, you can have it for breakfast in the morning. You can have it for lunch. You can add more chia seeds to it for it to get thick up, or you can just simply strain it and drink the water if you like to, and use the rest for pudding. Good vibes. All right, so this one is very good for weight loss, and it also helps to reduce. I was watching a video about it since the evening again. Oh, I can't go into that one. That one is a long one, but this one is very, very good. Okay. Can I use chocolate that froze?